Also amazing today on the 21st of March 2025.
Asunto-osakeyhtiö Siekkula.
This is Säterintie, Säterintie 13 staircase to the last one to be filmed here. And this residential you can also watch the staircases E and F here. Unfortunately, with the staircase A to T don't have elevators here. It's also here in Pukinmäki, Helsinki, and Finland. The rest is for person backgrounds, built in 1881 by Valmet, finished in 1982. The university is 5887. And let's try to do this here with 6 floors. Doesn't need memory. The 13th elevator we're filming today, all important. I like the sounds of smell.
Same. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Kony.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. You can also take this A and E and F as well.
That's